Bhatt has to be one of my favorite actresses. I love everything about her, right from her movie choices, sense of style, and most importantly, her minimalistic, fresh face makeup. Every time I see a new look on her, I'm honestly so tempted to recreate it. Hi guys, I'm Sachi and today I'm going to be showing you this easy breezy celebrity inspired makeup look. But, you know what you have to do before I begin, right? Tell me. You know it. Yes, go ahead and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and hit the bell icon so that you can stay updated every time we post a new video. Okay, so I'm directly going to jump into the look. This is what I'm going to be recreating because a little birdie told me that you guys love celebrity inspired looks. And so here I am. I have already gone ahead and prepped my skin with all the good stuff. Now I'm going to go ahead and start with my eye makeup, which is pretty simple. I am using the Lakme Absolute Spotlight eyeshadow palette in Smoke and Glam. The eye look is pretty simple. She has just used two shades, so let's start with the transition shade. For that, I'm going to go ahead and use this color. So this is a salmon color which will work as a beautiful transition shade for a lot of neutral eye looks. I'm going to be going ahead and using a fluffy blending brush to apply it on the crease area. Apply the same transition color on the lower lash line. After that's well blended, which by the way doesn't take a lot of time because these eyeshadows are so beautifully buttery and super blendable. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply a color on the eyelid area. This is a gold tone, beautiful shimmer shade. I prefer applying such shimmery shades using my finger, so just lightly tap it all over the lid. Then I am again using my fluffy blending brush to blend out everything, but make sure to not knock off the shimmer shade. Only use the brush on the crease area. After this, I'm going to go ahead and create a simple line with my eyeliner on the upper lash line. Just a small straight line, guys, no wings. For that, I'm going to go ahead and use the Lakme Iconic Liner Pen Fine Tip in Deep Black. This is oh so pigmented, waterproof and smudge proof. Plus, it has that fine tip brush which makes the application so much easier. Once that's done, let's add some drama into this look by adding a bit of mascara. I'm going to go ahead and use the Lakme Absolute 3D Lash Volumizer Mascara. I always opt for this mascara when my eye looks rather simple because it just gives my lashes that 3D effect. While applying, use the wiggle and swipe technique for fluttery lashes. Plus, you'll notice that it's a clump-free and flake-free formula, something that's so important for me when selecting mascara. With that, my eyes are done. Let's move on to the base makeup. The reference image shows that her base looks very skin-like, which is why I have chosen this foundation. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. This already has primer in it, so that step just gets eliminated. Just going to go ahead and dot it all over the face and neck area. Using a blending sponge, I'm going to blend the foundation until it looks like my skin, but better. This is a full coverage foundation, so use it sparingly. Once blended, time to move on to the next step, which is filling in the eyebrows. I'm using the Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector. It has this fine tip that helps create hair-like stroke. For this look, I'm going to be creating soft but bushy looking eyebrows. Plus, don't you feel filling in the eyebrows just enhances the facial features? Once that's done, brush the eyebrow hair with a spoolie. You can use a brow gel to set the brow hair in place. Last step in this look is the lip and cheek color. Alia has opted for a very beautiful candy pink and that's exactly what I've selected. This is the shade Candy Floss from the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color range. You can line your lips or not, totally depends on you, but I'm just going to apply it directly on my lips. This formula is something else. I have dry lips and it never settles into the cracks, plus it stays on for a really long time. Now this is also a cheek color, so I'm going to go ahead and use this on the cheeks as well. Dot it on the cheek area and blend it out either using your fingers or a blush brush. With that, this look is done. To match the look, I have opted for a beautiful pink color suit and now I'm going to style it with large danglers. Finally, for the finishing touch, I'm going to create a small black dot bindi using my eyeliner. I think this is such an easy makeup look plus outfit ideas for daytime functions like mehendi, sangeet or even a small family gathering. Go ahead and try this look out. I'm sure you're going to ace it. I have left the purchasing links of all the products that I have used in today's video in the description box below. Go and check it out. Before I say bye-bye, like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Bye!